Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and today I am going to introduce you data handling and probability. In this chapter, you will understand the concept of statistics. What is statistics? This is the field of study that deals with the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. First point, what is data? So data is a group of numerical value collected and recorded for a specific purpose. In this video, you will understand the following terms. First is data. So data is a group of numerical value collected and recorded for a specific purpose. Second, raw data. Raw data is the data obtained in the original form. Means this is called primary data also. Array, when data is arranged in ascending or descending order, this is called array. Observations. Observation are the individual numerical value in data. Frequency, the number of times a particular observation occur in data is its frequency. Frequency means a number which is repeated in the given data. Tabulation of data, the arrangement of data in a systematic form in a table. Pictograph, you have learned in 5th or 6th class. It is a method of representing information using pictures and symbols. Like this. Tally marks. Tally marks help in counting objects in a group of 5. The first 4 count are represented by 4 vertical line and the 5th by a diagonal line across the 4 vertical lines. Look here, these are the example of tally mark. 4 vertical line and the 5th one is diagonal line. Bar graph. The bar graph is a graphical representation of numerical data in the form of rectangles of equal widths and different height that represent the following of the given data. This is a type of bar graph. And student, all these terms are related to the field of statistics. So what is statistics? Statistics is the branch of math in which we study the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. So student, in this chapter you will understand the terms arithmetic mean or mean or average. Second, range of the data. Third, median of the data, and mode of the data. So student, the first point, mean, arithmetic mean or average. Average is the calculated center value of the set of data. To calculate it, we add up all the observation means values in the given set and divide the sum by the total number of observation in the set. So I am going to introduce you the formula of mean. Mean is equal to, arithmetic mean or mean is equal to sum of all observations, sum of all observations upon number of observations, number of observation, number of observations. So student, you can understand the concept of mean with the given example. Find the mean of first 10 even numbers. Find the mean of first 10 even number. So student, in solution, first to note down the observation. Observation means write first 10 even number. First 10 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Now n is equal to, n is called number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10. Now introduce the formula. Mean is equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observation. The symbol of mean is x bar. Symbol of mean is x bar. Sum of all observation means you can add all the observation. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 upon number of observations are 10. Mean is equal to sum of all observation. Sum means add all the observation and the sum is divided by number of observation. The sum of all observation becomes 110 and this will be divided by 10. Cut 0. So student, mean of the data or average of the data is 11. So student, second point is range. What is range of data? So if the data is given 1, 3, 9, 11, 15, 17, 20. So range of the given data is, the formula is highest value means observation minus lowest observation. Lowest observation. This is the formula of range. Range is called maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value of the data is 20 and minus the minimum value of data is 1. So range of the data is 19. If you so student, if you arrange the data in ascending order, so you can easily find out the range, the last number minus the initial number. So student, I hope you will understand these two terms in data handling, first mean and the second range. So if you have query, we will discuss in our live classes as well. Thank you.